Deck track installation. Use 2-inch galvanized nails to fix deck track to the frame. We strongly recommend using 4.5" or 3-inch frame waterproof strip to prevent wood decay. Frame waterproof strip 4.5" installation on a single or double joist. Unroll the frame waterproof strip, taking care to let it exceed evenly on inside, and fix it using a few staples. Do not leave space between boards, as they will be spacing when boards will dry. From underneath, fix the deck track using 3 screws per board. Use 1.25" or 1.5" screws for a 1.5" board thickness. Use 7/8" screws for a 1-inch board thickness.